Okay, viewers, so we're back for the final time today. That is to put this MAPEI Grout Refresh coloring on here to kind of get rid of these discolorations in the grout. Now, it did work here. This is that spot I did earlier, if you can remember what that looked like. So we're going to do half the floor and then let it dry. It says for 20-25 minutes. Then come in and just spray with a mist, wipe it with a cloth, and then we'll do the other half. So that's sounds like to me about an hour or so process. So we're going to get started. I do have the tripod set up, thinking that maybe I can get started with you watching me do the work for the first half. Then I'll just complete the second half, or maybe stop the video somewhere in the middle of doing the first half. I don't know. We'll have to play that as it goes. So let me get set up to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I know there was an issue with sealing this earlier. So again, blue tape has so many wonderful uses. So what I decided to do, because I had to remove the seal, I decided to put some blue tape on there. Acted like the sealant itself. So let's get started with this stuff. Now we're probably going to start in an area you probably can't see, but we'll get to the other part where you can see in a moment. I guess I spent more time cleaning the excess off the tile than I did anything else. So I have my trusty pail of water here. Again, I'm not going to do like the other guy did, where he kind of just didn't concentrate on cleaning it off because he thought it was too time consuming. But, you know, the instructions say to do it that way. So maybe you should follow instructions. Maybe you wouldn't have to do it every 6 months. Because my thought is, when you have to take it off with a credit card, maybe you're creating a ledge that will end up catching traffic and peeling off. Just a thought. The advantage of me recording myself doing this is I do tend to talk a lot. Let's see if I can keep that up. Eventually I'll get over maybe to a spot that you can see. It just takes a while to get this done. Because it is a messy process, I'll say that. I think it's also a good idea not to have a very wet rag. I think that just makes more of a mess. Now, they really didn't get specific about how clean the tile should be. before you wait that 20 to 25 minutes. But I guess there's always the credit card method, right? Just joking. Maybe I can't really tell what you're seeing and what you're not. But I have a feeling we're gonna be in shot of the camera real soon. Really easy to apply. I will say that. Well, it's not a bad idea to do just an area where you can still reach. Now, I haven't done an area this big today, so I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, thinking, not sure what kind of drying time this thing has, so I want to make sure I have enough time to brush it in. It's also pretty easy to slide off the grout. So brushing might not be the idea. It does get kind of sore on the fingers trying to push the stuff out of a little hole. But that could be just me. I am going to do along the tub here. And I'm just going to take my handy dandy toothbrush here and, as they say, work it in. This is where you'll be able to see a little bit of the mess that it creates, if you haven't already. Like I said, it's really almost like just doing paint. If you ever painted a bathroom that had ceramic tile on it and got paint on the ground or on the floor, was able to scrape it off the tile floor, but not able to scrape it off the grout, maybe somewhat, but always left a little bit of residue. Kind of conversation I was having with my ex-wife in the garage today. It's like painting. I think the idea of brushing it on two, I think might create some uniformity into how thick it is on the ground. That should be fun trying to clean it off the tub. But like I said, if it is really just an acrylic paint, or at least very similar to acrylic paint, should be able to get it off quite easily. Of course, again, there's always the credit card method. I can't stop joking about that. Sorry. I feel sorry for that guy who has to do his floors every 6 months. Again, watching that video almost deterred me from even using this product. So I think MAPEI might want to be careful about how they use or promote their product. Can't remember if there was a video that I saw related. Okay, so it takes more than 10 minutes to do an application. So this is how I left it to dry for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to let that dry. It's been about 5 minutes already. So about another 15, 20 minutes, we'll let this dry. And then again, we'll mist it and then clean it with a rag. It took a lot of time just to do, well, these are 2-foot tiles. So that's a 2x5 area. I'd really be pushing to try and do a larger area than that. So probably going to do this section here and then this section here. So I'm going to pause this and come back with spraying this down, cleaning it, take a look and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so we're back. It's gotten some drying time. So now we're going to take our spray bottle, and as it says, light mist. And then you have to sit there and let that go for, I think it says 5 or 10 minutes. I'll check the instructions. To me, that's a light mist. So we'll be back. So what it says is after you let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes, mist the treated area lightly with water and let sit for 5 minutes. Then use a damp microfiber cloth or a sponge. Of course, they have microfiber cloth in bold, meaning maybe that's what they're really suggesting. And then wipe off the excess haze off the face of the tile. So we're going to give that 5 minutes. Okay, so we've got it all cleaned off. Looks pretty good. Color's consistent. You can see kind of where I left off. So I'm going to do this section here. And then I'm going to do this section here. So I'm going to put this thing on pause, get those areas done, clean it all up, and come back at the end. So hopefully continue to watch, and we should be back. It'll seem like right back to you guys, but I have a feeling it can be an hour or so. So just hold on and wait for the finish. Okay, viewers, so we're back. Finished up with the, what do they call that now? Grout Refresh by MAPEI. Again, I think it was a little easier with this because it was already the same color as the grout that was there. So might have different circumstances if you're trying to change color. But you got to remember, this is what it looked like before we even started the bathroom. So, and again, you know, this was all light colored grout throughout the basement. And so we've done the bath, and I think that looks awesome. So I'm going to call it an evening. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. Weather's sometimes not always with us, but we'll check in tomorrow. I might even take a day off. I'm not really sure, but I think it's supposed to be really nice weather, so it sounds like outside work. So I do want to thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your evening.